Think you need a fancy website to make money online? Think again. Today, I'll show you real ways to earn income online. No website, no coding, no hassle. Number 1. Freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you sell your skills. From graphic design to writing to voiceovers. Create a free profile, post your services, and start getting clients directly. Number 2. Social media content. You don't need a website to grow an audience. Use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Post valuable or entertaining content, build followers, and earn from ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Share product links on social media, YouTube descriptions, or emails. Each time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Number 4. Digital products. Create simple ebooks, guides, or short video lessons. Then sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. No website needed. Number 5. Microtasks and remote jobs. Use sites like Clickworker, Remotasks, or UserTesting. You can earn by reviewing apps, testing websites, or completing small online jobs. No website? No problem. The internet is full of opportunities. All you need is a skill, a smartphone, and the right mindset. Follow for more real ways to make money online.